Hello students, today we will learn about the greenhouse effect. Learning points. State the 3 greenhouse gases, describe the stages of the greenhouse effect, explain the impact of human activities. So what is the greenhouse effect? When heat remains trapped in the atmosphere caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases: water vapor, carbon dioxide and methane. The greenhouse gases absorb heat which is radiated from the earth. They then release this energy which in turn keeps the earth warm. First, electromagnetic radiation passes through the earth's atmosphere. Second, the earth warms up as it absorbs most of the radiation. Third, infrared radiation is radiated from the earth. Fourth, a portion of the infrared radiation goes into the space. Fifth, the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere absorb some of the infrared radiation. Sixth, the Earth's lower atmosphere starts to warm up. The impact of humans. Rice farming in paddy fields releases methane. The burning of fossil fuels in vehicles and power stations releases carbon dioxide. Deforestation releases carbon dioxide, and cutting down trees also reduces the removal of carbon dioxide through photosynthesis. Cattle farming releases methane. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning.